Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make a decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and if you press it, what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see a picture of what the video is about and the title. And if you press on the video, on the picture in the email, it will take you directly to the video. So it acts like a shortcut. So I enjoy it, I use it, and I want to make sure that you guys are aware about it as well. Okay, today is my second day doing a Target beauty box. The reason is, if you haven't watched, hopefully it was posted yesterday, that was the one that was, to me, a standard Target beauty box. This second one, I wasn't sure I was going to get, and then I got a notification from ULTA that they were doing some sort of, if you spent $50, this was going to be the bonus items that were going to be in that bonus. And majority of them were the same names that I saw in the Target beauty box when I saw the email that came down from the Target beauty boxes. And these Target beauty boxes are only $7. So I said, you know what, if I'm going to try out these brands that are also going to be offered at ULTA, these to me then are higher end brands that are now going to be available, I guess, at Target. So I decided to go ahead and purchase the box. So mine came separately because I did purchase them on different days. And so I'm going to go through that with you guys here. But this box today is solely $7. We're going to go through all the items in here. But if you missed the one from yesterday, please go on that post, because that was a really good Target box also. That was only $7. And if you go on Target.com, you'll be able to see which boxes are still available, because years ago, you really didn't have that option. If you didn't get on it right away, it's almost like a trend mood box now, that if you don't get on it within the first minutes, you're not going to have access to it, which is what happened to me last month with Trend Mood. But with Target, either they changed how they're doing it, that now not only are they available, that enables us to film this, and then you guys are able to then see if it's something you want and then go on to Target.com to get it. There's also previous months are in there as well, so definitely check it out. And like I said, these cost me $7. I do have a Target card that I buy my Target items with. I do get an additional, I think, 5% off because of that Target card, and I think it also gave me free shipping, because for $7 I did not pay any shipping on this, and the discount was also applied for that 5% off. So depending what state you are in, those taxes will be a little bit different, but that's what it's all about. So we're going to be opening up this little guy, and this is the Target box. The one that came previously was a far bigger box, and it had spritzers and shampoos and dry shampoos and everything like that. It was a really, really great box. This surprised me that it was so tiny, but we're going to see what we have inside here. So like I said, this is the Target beauty box. It seems to also be coming with the card. And if you're familiar with my channel, you know that I do open up all the packaging, or I try to at least get most of it, so that I can take a picture on Instagram first before I open up and play on YouTube. So if you see that there's no packaging, I will tell you if something had some packaging as we go through it here. So this card is saying it is dermatologist trusted skincare. It says, when it comes to nourishing radiant skin, the dermatologists know a thing or two. So when we're looking for new ways to perfect our complexion, we turn to those experts. From sun protection to eye care and even application techniques, the dermatologist trusted tips, tricks, and products that you will need to get healthy, hydrated skin are all going to be right here. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, you will find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. If you like what you tried, we also want you to see what you got and what you loved, and how you do that is you tag it #TargetBeautyBox. So this here is the card. The other side has the items listed that are in the card, and they also have a $3 off coupon, and this will also expire 06/30, the same as the previous box that we did the other day. And this is also the $3 off coupon is beauty purchases of $15 or more for cosmetics, skincare, and hair care. So the same as the other one here. Same type of tissue paper that's inside, and then we have all the goodies inside here, which I will take out, and then we'll go through them one at a time. I'm seeing here that we got a couple of foil packs, which usually I've never seen before in a Target beauty box, but we'll see what that's all about, because based on the picture that I saw, I assumed these were bottles, but they're not. They're foil packs. Okay, let's see what's here. All right, the first item that's on the card is saying it is from a brand called La Roche Posay, and that's what it is here. This one came in an actual box, and they're saying it is a broad spectrum with SPF 50. It is going to be a tinted ultra light sunscreen fluid with 100% mineral UV filter system. They're saying it has a matte finish and a universal tint. It also says it has some advanced protection with Cell Ox Shield, and it says it helps with UVA and UVB and antioxidants. It's water resistant for 40 minutes, fragrance free, paraben free, and it's tested on sensitive skin. And they're saying this is going to be a 3 ml bottle. So let's see, it's a small little tube that's here. And let's see what they wrote about it, and then we'll do a little swatch. So it says, this is a gentle cream formula which will help skin restore comfort and retain essential moisture so your face will feel comfortable and hydrated. They're saying how to use it. You use it twice daily to gently remove face and eye makeup, dirt, and sorry, I must be reading the wrong thing. I apologize. There must be 2 products here from the Roche, and one is a gentle cleanser. Sorry. This one is the Tinted Mineral Sunscreen with SPF 50. It says it's 100% mineral UV filters in a lightweight matte finish. It is lightly tinted for a healthy glow, and like I mentioned, is for sensitive skin. They say they have a hint here. It says shake face sunscreen well before use and massage until fully absorbed. So we're going to give it a little shake, and that's the color that's here. And I did not remove any safety seals from this, so this came without one. And we're just going to take the little bit that is on the top here, and be very careful when you open this because a lot seems to come out. And then let's do a little swatch of it here. So that's the color that's here, and they're saying that is a universal tint. So it seems to absorb very nicely into the skin, and for me it looks like it's going to be a perfect color. It has enough of a little bit of a tint to, you know, offset, I think, any discoloration, so that I think will be really nice to use. So that's the first item here. The only thing is they do not put what the full-size prices are going to be on these items, and I know some of them are a little more expensive, because I did check them out on the ULTA website. The next item we're going to go through is the one that we just read, which was the other La Roche Posay, and this is for normal to dry skin. They're saying it is a hydrating gentle cleanser, and this is 1/2 ounce that's in this little guy here. And let's see what they wrote about here, because we did just read about it. So this is the hydrating gentle cleanser. They're saying it is a gentle cream formula. It will help restore comfort and retain essential moisture so your face will feel comfortable and hydrated. They're saying you can use this twice daily to gently remove face and eye makeup, dirt, and impurities. Wow, usually you cannot use the same. The only cleanser that I found was really good for eye makeup as well as face makeup has always been the Purity by Philosophy, but I will definitely give this a try, because sometimes when you try to remove eye makeup with cleansers, you get that stinging or oily residue, and I usually don't even try, but I will definitely try it on this one. So that's what it looks like here. I don't think there is a scent in here, not at all. So that's really good as well. All right, the next item that's in here is saying it is a foaming cleanser. So it looks like we got a second cleanser, and it is from this brand CeraVe. That's what the bottle looks like here. And it has really nice writing on the, it's all embossed inside here, so really nice for a sample size. And this says it's for normal to oily skin. It will clean and soften without drying. They're saying it is non-comedogenic, and they're saying this is sample size, not for resale, and it is also half a fluid ounce. And what they wrote on the card for this is it is a foaming facial cleanser for normal to oily skin, unique formula with ceramides, which will clean and remove oil, dirt, and makeup without stripping your skin of any moisture. And they're saying there's a trick here. Always wash your face with lukewarm water. If it's too hot, it can actually strip away any of your natural oils and moisture, which will lead to future dryness, irritation, and even inflammation. So always wash with lukewarm water. And that's what this item looks like here. And let's just see, there's no safety seal on here either. And also, I do not smell a scent. So that's another great product. Okay, this is the one that really intrigued me. It was from this brand called Vichy. And this, they have 3 items from this brand. And let's see what this is all about here. So they have a Mineral 89i and a Mineral 89. So that's what these two were here. And like I said, when I saw the picture, I assumed these were little bottles because I've never received, that I could remember, any type of product that were in these type of foil packs. And it doesn't feel like there's a lot in here, but I do know these are products that are in the $40, $50, $60 range, so I can understand why. But this is what intrigued me to buy the box. So let's see what it says here. It says Mineral 89 Eyes is a hyaluronic acid eye gel, which will hydrate, brighten, and smooth fine lines around the delicate eye area for a brighter, more rested look. And the other one is just 89, and that one says it is a natural origin hyaluronic acid face serum moisturizer, which contains 89% of the Vichy mineralized thermal water with 15 essential minerals to hydrate, plump, and fortify your skin. So I didn't check to see what the price was on Target and if it was any different, you know, on Target versus ULTA. But like I mentioned, these were definitely available in that little package, including I think this other brand here, this CeraVe. So the next item that we have here that is from the same brand came in a box, and this one is saying it is the Aqualia Thermal. It's a rehydrating cream, and it says rich, and it's for dry to very, very dry skin. And ironically, all of a sudden now on my face, I've always been a combo girl, but I do have one area that's showing up to be very dry, and depending on what sleeping mask or moisturizing I'm using, the next morning I check to see if that area is still dry, and that's how I'm judging how well the night moisturizing cream is working for me, because I've never had dry anywhere, and now I'm starting to have it in a really weird area on my face. Okay, so this one here, like I said, it came in that box with a glass little jar, and that's what it looks like here. And let's see how much is in here. This is also 0.51 fluid ounces, 15 mil. Let's see what they wrote about it on the card. It's saying it is formulated with 97% natural origin ingredients. It will help smooth fine lines and provide 48-hour dynamic hydration to keep comfort and fresh complexion that lasts. So really excited to try that on that area, and we'll see how good we are. It definitely is filled to the rim, which is really nice. And it is a thicker cream. You can feel it when you're putting your finger in. It's leaving very little it is definitely a thick cream. That's what it looks like here. And let's close her up and just put it into an area that we did not do anything yet. And that's what it's like over there. So it definitely is a thicker cream. So I'll definitely try it on that area. But for my dry skin girls, this is something that is a nice way to try it in a $7 box. So that's that. And then I have 2 other items that are in here, and they're both from the same brand, from CeraVe. One is an eye repair cream, and the other is a AM facial moisturizing lotion with sunscreen with broad spectrum SPF 30. It's also saying it is non-comedogenic and it is non-irritating. They're also saying this is a sample size, not for sale, and it is a 0.5 mil. So let's see what is written on the card about this. So it's saying it's an AM facial moisturizing lotion, broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen lotion, which will help prevent sunburn and moisturize throughout the day. Plus it's fragrance free, oil free. And they're saying the tip is for UVA rays. When they're present throughout the year, you can it's really light, I'm sorry. You can penetrate through the clouds and through the windows. So using a moisturizer with this broad spectrum SPF every day, it will keep your skin protected all year round. So let's see if we can open her up. Also no safety seal, and it's a small little area there. That's what the cream looks like for that. Also feels like a thicker cream, but a lot of times when something has SPF, what I recommend is you put that on first thing, let it sink into your skin way before you put on anything else so that it can actually penetrate into the skin, because sometimes SPF, when it's in a product, it takes a little bit longer. And I know sometimes SPF also gives flashbacks, so it's something to always keep in mind. The next item here is the eye repair cream, and saying it is reduces the look of dark circles and puffiness. That's a win-win. It says it helps repair and restore protective skin barrier. This is also a sample that's not for sale and is 2.5 Gs. All right, and what's written on here, it's saying it is a fast absorbing eye cream which will reduce the look of dark circles and puffiness, and it contains a niacinamide to help calm the skin, and you will be saying hello bright eyes, which is always a nice thing. All right, let's see what this is about. Also no safety seal on there, and let's do it in an area that we don't have that tinted moisturizer and see what we have here. This does not have a lot in it at all, so I am having a hard time getting anything out of here. I think I got an empty bottle. Oh, there it is. Really, really little. I mean, I just squeezed all the way to here to get that little bit out. So it's really not a lot. And as you know, with eye cream, you really need a pin size amount. You usually, on your ring finger, which is your weakest finger, you should tap, 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 and then it will put it on both fingers, and then you dot it around your eyes that way. So that's the best way to apply any form of eye cream. But this seems to also have a very, very faint scent, so really no scent at all. And it did absorb immediately into the skin. But like I said, there really was not much in here. So a little disappointing, but you really don't need a lot of eye cream, but I thought at least it would be something. But like I said, I just squeezed all the way down to here, so you might get only a couple uses out of this. So this is really a true sample box, but for $7 and a $3 coupon, I think it's still a great deal to be able to try a lot of these higher end brand products that I didn't know were available at Target. So then you get to test it for the $7 and then start shopping around for prices that, you know, if this is something that is a brand that is available in the higher stores like the ULTAs, and these are, you know, brands that I think are high end, so we'll be able to test them out for that $7. And then if there's anything that intrigues us, we can then check the pricing on both, you know, now Target as well as ULTA and wherever else they're sold. Okay, just wanted to share that with you guys because I really got intrigued when I saw it as a bonus buy at ULTA. I said, wow, those are brands that I'm really not that familiar with, but for $7 and it's in a Target box, I'm gonna give it a try. I'm happy I did. I'm a little disappointed, like I said, that these were foil packs, but hopefully there's enough in here to know if it's too oily or dry. It's still something that I will definitely be trying. But like I said, these are brands that are new to me, and I love being able to try them in a sample box that's only $7. All right. Once again, don't forget, if you're enjoying my content, to leave me a thumbs up. And I appreciate very much if you share my channel, because this is a large platform. And for newer YouTubers like myself, it is through you guys that I'm growing, and I appreciate that very much. So thank you for finding me. Thank you for spending time with me, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.